Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. In this video, I'm going to show you how I replaced the base in my old trailer using 3C's Max Bond. This existing floor is decayed and already fallen out, so I give it a good cleaning up by taking a 4-inch grinder with a sanding pad on it, grinding down all the metalwork that's visible. Next, I took some measurements and cut down my 18mm marine ply using a circular saw. Once my sheets were cut, I applied my Max Bond polymer adhesive along the top edge of the frame where the boards are going to meet. Then placed the boards directly on top of the adhesive and pressed it down from the top. I did the same on the second sheet. Left this for about 20 minutes to dry. Then I applied some aluminium sheets over the top of the plywood. These also can be fixed down with Max Bond. When working on projects like this that are exposed to the elements all year round, it's always best to use professional products like 3C's Max Bond for maximum strength and maximum adhesion. So that's my aluminium sheets now fixed down to my plywood. I've placed lots of heavy items on here just until the adhesive dries, then I can remove them and it's ready to start using. You can also finish the frame off by applying a suitable outdoor metal paint. That's the base of my trailer now complete. It's ready to go back out to work thanks to Max Bond. If you're looking for more inspiration or how-to videos, don't forget to check us out on all social media handles and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you need to know more about 3C's vast range of products, just check out their website on the link below.